to Sarajevo.
It's the capital city of Bosnia and Herzegovina, and it's chock full of history. Go back in time to the Ottoman Empire days in the old city and see the influence from the Middle East. This was where Archduke Franz Ferdinand was assassinated after leaving City Hall, thus marking the beginnings of World War I. The eternal flame stays lit in memory of those who died during World War II. But most of us know about Sarajevo from the 1990s when it was under siege.
I'm now walking along one of the major streets here that used to be something called Sniper Alley.
Keep your eyes open for the Sarajevo Rose, which marks the spots where mortar shells killed people during the siege, such as the 2 massacres at the Markale Market. During the war, the tunnel from the airport leading into the city provided food, supplies, and most importantly, hope. No, this is part of the original tunnel. And you really have to crouch down. I'm short, but yeah. Amazingly, the track from the 1984 Olympics is intact despite being used as a defensive shield during the war. Now you can walk or bike along it while admiring the graffiti art. Bullet holes on the tombstones are another reminder of the Siege of Sarajevo. It's not all gloom and doom here. Take a ride on its new cable car, which is the symbol of the city rebuilding itself. Despite its history of conflicts, the most notable thing about Sarajevo is that it is the European Jerusalem. All sorts of religions have peacefully coexisted here. In the mood for authentic Bosnian food? Then try a burek. Expand your repertoire of desserts. I never knew that there were so many varieties of baklava. Sample a kanafe, which is a mixture of melted cheese and fried noodles drizzled in syrup. Pick out a cañero, which is a potato dumpling stuffed with plums, but you can get it stuffed with other sweets. To get the complete picture of Sarajevo, visit the top of the Avaz Tower. Sarajevo has a complicated history, but once you get past the dark parts, you'll truly enjoy its beauty.
Why are you drinking from this fountain?
So that way I can come back to Sarajevo.